Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn new topic, how to merge numbers with text. This is numbers and you see the result is numbers are in series 220, 221, 222 and so on, but in result we want add BC with series of numbers. This is the formula. How to do it? I do in example. I delete it. Equal to, bracket open, select this, press shift F7 for AND button, then I use quotation mark, then again use AND sign, shift F7, shift 7 to use AND sign, then write BC. I required BC with each series, therefore I add BC in quotation mark. Whenever you type text in formula, you have to write with quotation mark, then close the bracket. Press enter. You see 220 with BC. Copy this formula and paste it. You get the result. With every number you get the text BC 220, 221, 222, 223, 223 with BC. With every numbers you merge with text. Hopefully you understand this video. It is very easy. If you have any question, you may freely discuss. Thank you so much.